Such a delicious goodness. I'm sure you're wondering how I made it, right? Just stay tuned, okay? I made this veggie noodles with the famous noodles Indomie. I'm sure this brand is more known amongst Africans. Well, I don't know, maybe. Well, here are all the ingredients. Not to worry, I'll put them down in the description box below, okay? So, I'm Danielle. If you're new to this channel, welcome to the family. It's all about lifestyle, motherhood, vlogs, foreign eggs, and travels.
Every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. 'Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe.
So I'm going to add in some chopped tomatoes, just to make it more colorful. These days I love to play around with veggies. And one thing with food, man, you have to eat with your eyes first though, before you enter into your tummy. I don't know about you, but that's how it goes with me, and that's exactly what I'm doing. So yummy, beautiful, and tasty. Well, if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, remain blessed.
Late at night, not okay. All I want